Well, kanina pa rin po natin pinag-uusapan itong si Chris Alexander. Tinaguruan po natin Mr. Toothpick. Dahil sa habit niya na lagi may toothpick sa bibig. Pero ito, ang nasusungkit niya dito, magagandang numero para dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
At alam mo sa mga Pilipino, pag sinabing toothpick ka, matangkad ka talaga eh. Bagay na bagay sa kanya, 7-footer. And you see the number, 35 points. He's personal best dito sa PBA. At the same time, he grabbed 25 rebounds. At very consistent siya dun sa kanyang rebounds. At isa sa mga dahilan para tumakbo yung kanilang fast break, he should get those rebounds. And he's getting it early. May 4 na siya dito pa lamang sa ating first quarter.
Hindi lamang siya matangkad, magaling po posisyon to be in a good rebounding position. And that's Chris Alexander for you. And he is giving a lot of possessions for Barangay Ginebra because of his rebounding.
At nakakapanlansi actually. Akala nila papayat-payat dahil 7-footer. Pero sabi mo nga, he can position himself very well for those rebounds.
Because agile rin siya for his height. Rico Villanueva, pinasok na rin ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Here's Paul Artadi to Junti Valenzuela. 9 seconds to shoot para sa Ginebra. Junti, looking for an opening. Junti, yun, nakahanap ng buwang. Wala lang yung kanyang tira. Sa kanya pa rin nalaglag yung bola. And second attempt is good.
Yan ang mga tira ni Junti Valenzuela. Mga pabale at the same time, kahit namin mintisa yung mga tira, he will always be there for the second chance. 6 points para kay Junti Valenzuela. He's now top scoring para sa Ginebra together with the Rinford.
Junti Valenzuela, pasawala nga ni Mark Kagiwat dahil sa injury, has really stepped up big time para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Ito na ngayon si Rico Villanueva, walang napuntahan. Roger Yap for 3, no! Battle for the rebound.
There's White. Red ball lang sinisigaw ng ating mga referees with Enrico Villanueva's last touch.
Ito naman, Chris Bacana, pinasok na rin alongside Alex Crisano. So, maagang balasahan talaga to para dito kay Coach Jong Wichico.
And the fact that they're on top, isa lamang ang ibig sabihin yan. Talagang walang planong pagpapahinga ni Coach Jong ang kanyang mga bata rito. Total, malamig naman ang panahon. Papainitin niya ng maigi ang larong ito.
Ito, tignan natin kung mainit si Junti. Hindi pa nag-iinit from the 3-point line. Here's Roger Yap. Met high by Chris Bacana. Sumisil dito si Ralimi. Hindi na ibigay. Sabi ni Yap, screenan mo ako dito sa taas. Ayun na nga binigay niya. Yap, pa-dribble pa rin. Too much dribbling here for Roger Yap. 8 seconds na lang natitira sa shot clock. James Yap ngayon nasusugod. At nawala ng bola.
You know, the dilemma of Roger Yap is that he knows he has an advantage over his guards. Kanina it was Paul Artadi, ngayon itong si Chris Bacana. He repeals na mas matangkad siya at heftier. That's why gusto niyang makakuha ng tiyempo na idalhin niya sa ibaba. But at the same time, kumakat na at pumupwesto na yung kanilang mga shooter. So hindi niya malaman kung ipapasa niya o i-diretso niya sa loob. At the same time, nauubos na ang kanilang oras. And luckily for them, si James Yap came to the rescue.
Yun na nga 6 seconds na lang natitira sa shot clock nung naipasa niya dito kay James Yap. Although to si James Yap naman missing on his first free throw.
Malamig pa itong si James Yap. Although kanina nakapukol na siya ng 3-pointer, pero kukunti pa rin ang mga touches nitong si James Yap. As we were telling you, he's the top scorer of this team, averaging more than 19 points per ball game in this conference.
A split from the line para dito kay James Yap. He has a total of 4 points so far. So backcourt pressure mula sa Pure Foods DJ Giants. Ito na ngayon si Alexander. Nice dribble job. Binigay niya kay Alex Crisano for a two-handed slam dunk.
And you know, there's a full court pressure, but Barangay Ginebra spread themselves very well. Alam na alam yung papasahan, even finding itong si Crisano for that slam dunk.
And Chris Alexander having fun here in the first quarter. It is a nice-looking hook shot coming from Reda Ralimi at sabay turo pa dito kay Chris Alexander.
So there's really a brewing rivalry over these two. Nagpapalitan pa ng mga salita. Ewan ko nakakaintindihan nito. Moroccan at English.
Eto, titignan natin yung magandang assist nga nito si Chris Alexander to the wide open Alex Crisano for that Yakult slam dunk brought us by Yakult. Yakult every day okay. Sigurado ka dyan.
I remember the last time Alex Crisano did that. He was called for the technical.
Kapit na rin,
Muntik na rin niya
Nakaago pa dito ang Pure Foods. 5-second differential sa game clock and shot clock. Nawala yung bola kay Roger Yap. And ngayon, mabalik ang bola dito sa Barangay Ginebra. They can take the last shot of the quarter.
Well, I've mentioned this early in the game. ang Pure Foods, kailangan nila ng point guard who would take control dito sa kanila opensa. May it be a fast ball, may it be a slow play.
Ito na nga, mukhang JJ Helterbrand likes to take the last attempt at the basket here in the first quarter. Looking at the clock, 6 seconds. Helterbrand sumugod and a preemptive foul given up by Roger Yap.
Knowing very well na madami pa silang maibibigay. Unang personal foul pa lamang ito. Itong si Roger Yap. At sa buong kanyang kupunan, isa pa rin lang ang team foul dito sa first quarter.
Here's Alexander outside. 3 seconds na lang natitira. Alexander binigay kay JJ Helterbrand, almost but not quite. At dyan na po magtatapos ang ating first 12 minutes of action. An action-packed first quarter, mga kaibigan. Nagkakainitan na nga po yung mga ibang players dito. And so far, ito po ang ating score. Lamang po ang Barangay Ginebra over the Pure Foods TJ Giants 23-18.